Sagittarius, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ititingnan natin ang energies ng inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances ngayong April 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay. Sagittarius. Lion. Oy, this is lakas ng loob. You are very confident, no? Confident ka na humarap kahit kanino. Maaring meron kang presentation sa trabaho mo or sa career mo, sa business mo. Or you are someone na nasa public kumbaga nakikita ka ng mas maraming tao. Oo. And some of you, maaring meron kayong patutunayan sa sarili nyo na kaya nyo palang ma-achieve yon, kaya nyo palang magawa yon. And maari ring para kasing may target ka rito no? May ginugol ka for your career, for your business. And I feel like yung iyong lakas ng loob, no? Yan yung tutulong sa'yo para makuha mo yon. Okay? The lion is also about justice. So, your karma. So, ang karma, it works on good and the bad, no? So, ano man yung efforts na binibigay mo, yun yung makukuha mo in return. Okay, let's see what else. You have Venus. This is about beauty, harmony, wealth, money rin to, no? Kaperahan. So, yeah, I think you are really taking care of your reputation. Inaalagaan mo yung presensya mo sa career mo, sa business mo. And some of you, meron kayong, very magnetic yung energy ninyo. Maaring kung kayo ay nasa sales, nasa marketing kayo, mabilis kayong makabenta. Oo, ganun. Uy, Capricorn energy. You also have the energy ng boss. So, maaring kayo ay boss, you are your own boss, meron kang business, or self-employed ka. And I also see you na talagang magiging focus sa mga goals mo para ma-achieve mo to. Very ambitious. So, meron kang structure ngayon sa buhay mo about what you want to achieve ngayong April moving forward. Meron ka rin pinaghahandaan. Oo, pwedeng pinaghahandaan mo ang isang trabaho, ang isang business na sisimulan mo. Let's see what else. This is your overall energy, possible challenge, opportunity, blessing, energy ng money, ng career, at kung wala kang work, so ito yung energy. Bottom of the deck is the Queen of Wands. So this is freedom, kalayaan. So some of you, maaring kayo ay freelancers or you are very flexible yung career nyo, yung trabaho nyo, yung business ninyo. And some of you, you have this very creative na mindset, no? You are also a leader. Meron kang leadership qualities. With a star, so talagang ikaw ay kikilalanin, or yung iba sa inyo, if you are into social media, public, nasa public, hindi ko masabing isa pang word, no? Public figure, yan, or nasa public life kayo. You're going to be recognized. You have the Five of Pentacles, the King of Pentacles. I think meron kang recovery pagdating sa financial struggle mo in the past. Okay? Kung nagka-problema ka sa kaperahan. Now, overall energy, the world. Uy, yung iba sa inyo meron kayong achievement. Kasi it's about achieving, completing something. So, maaring meron ka na kompleto na natapos na kontrata, natapos na project. So you are in the energy of someone na fulfilled dahil sa kanyang mga na-achieve. So, this is about success and rewards din. So, your challenge is the Five of Swords. So, maaring meron mga tao na very competitive sa'yo, maaring medyo toxic yung situation mo ngayon when it comes to your career or sa business mo, or even the people na akala mo pinagkakatiwalaan mo or pagkakatiwalaan mo, hindi pala. So, pay attention sa mga pagkakatiwalaan mo. Okay? Kasi maaring meron ditong betrayal, or kumbaga parang you are expecting this person na gagawin or ibibigay to sa'yo, pero hindi pala niya gagawin para sa'yo. So, somehow, parang you feel na betrayed. Okay? And then, your opportunity is the Knight of Pentacles. This is stability in your finances. So, I think, ang isa sa opportunity mo ay magkaroon ng stable na income, stable na trabaho, or yung business mo. Maaring you are exploring iba pang opportunity na palaguin yung pera mo, like investing on different assets. Kumbaga hindi ka rin naman nagmamadali. Alam mo na may proseso na kailangang pagdaanan pagdating sa iyong pagpapalago ng kaperahan mo. And then your blessing is the Two of Cups. So this is business partnership or support, no? So for business partnership, yung iba sa inyo, yung kasama nyo sa negosyo, ka-partner nyo, siya yung parang blessing sa inyo dahil very supportive siya. At maaring maganda rin yung kanyang mga plano para sa negosyo nyo. And if you have a partner, no, romantic partner, pwedeng ito yung swerte ka dito or blessing siya sa'yo dahil supportado ka niya sa mga pinupurso mo sa buhay, lalo na sa career or sa business. So, your money is the Page of Wands. So, merong good news dito na parating. Kung mayroon kang hinihintay na balita or update pagdating sa pera mo, no? So, merong good news. I also see an increase sa income mo, or maaring meron kang investment, tapos malaking naging interest nun. And then, sa iyong career, you have the Ace of Wands. So, merong new beginnings, exciting new beginnings para sa iyong trabaho, sa career mo, or sa business. So, pwedeng may nagsisimula, no? May sinusubukan kang bagong career. Or, yung iba naman, merong exciting na naganap sa trabaho mo, whether this is a new responsibility na ibibigay sa'yo, or travel opportunities para sa'yo, like traveling for work. And then, if you don't have work, you have the Eight of Cups. Change and shift. So, maaring iba sa inyo kung wala kayong work, I think, nandun na kayo sa point na gusto nyo nang may magbago sa sitwasyon nyo. You want to have your own money. Meron kang gustong patunayan, no, sa sarili mo na kaya mo on your own. So, that's why you are changing your mindset. You are trying new things. Meron kang gustong simulan or explore sa buhay mo on how to create abundance or income sa buhay mo. So, let's see, ano pa. Frugal, ayan. You're not going to live beyond your means. So, kumbaga, kung ano lang yung kaya mo, no? Yun lang yung pagkakagastusan mo. At mas magiging masinop ka sa pera. Some of you are also into spirituality, using different forms of divination. Maaring magkukonsulta ka sa isang tarot reader, or yun nga, magpapa-private reading ka, o kaya naman, kung marunong kang bumasa ng tarot, ikaw mismo yung magbabasa pagdating sa decision making mo, pagdating sa trabaho mo, career. O diba, may travel talaga. Some of you Sagittarius, ang work ninyo ay pagta-travel. Pwedeng may travel agency kayo, or isa kayong piloto, o kaya kayo ay flight attendant, or pagdating sa work talagang madalas kang pwedeng yung sales representative, diba? The power to heal the earth is within you. So some of you, Sagittarius, very spiritual. You have this blessing of healing and helping others pagdating sa kanilang financial situation. Now is the time to get out into the world and connect in authentic ways. So some of you are going to connect with others, like magpapalawa ka ng network mo, which is going to help you na makapag-attract pa ng mas maraming opportunities. Okay? So that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. See you again.